Prior to accepting a remote update, insert fresh batteries in your hearing aids and wait 2 minutes for full activation, or ensure you have at least 25% battery left in your rechargeable hearing aids. Open the ReSound Smart 3D app on your smartphone. Tap on My ReSound. Tap on My Request and New Settings. A new settings update will appear at the top of the screen in red. Tap Install. Next, the app will verify Bluetooth is enabled. Your smartphone and hearing aids have adequate battery life. Once verified, tap Continue. Instructions for your installation will appear. Remove your ReSound hearing aids and set them near your phone for the download. Press Accept and Install. During the download, do not use your phone or any of its apps. Tap Close when the progress bar has turned green and installation is complete. You can now put back on your hearing aids.